Hi guys, we're here in Bali and welcome to the forest view room at Rimba by Ayana. Do you want to check it out with us? In here we have the bathroom behind this mirror. So there is a beautiful round giant bath over there with a rainfall head above, as you can see, massive there. And some really beautiful products there, botanical products. They smell great. Nice little basin here and all the usual stuff. Toilet over in the corner. So yeah, really nice design in the bathroom, and this bath can fit like a ton of people in it. It's like a spa. It is, but it doesn't have any jets. Cool, let's go check out the rest. In here is the little tea and coffee facility. It's quite good. And down here is like a fridge and glassware. You got loads of storage, both there with the ironing board and everything, and a second and third storage with a safe. There's a really cool rounded upholstered wall here. That's obviously the bath behind that. And a massive bed. This must be a super king. This beautiful swan design and this little roses. And then this is normally the couch, but we've got my daughter's bed set up as a pull-out bed for her. Got this nice stone bench and beautiful wooden artworks. TV over here in the corner, which does swivel a little bit, so if you're watching from the TV you can kind of get an angle on that. Yeah, and then this is the outside. So nice little balcony. And a gorgeous daybed type thing, or whatever you call that. And glass railing. View of some forest.